Watch these jaw-dropping videos from Hurricane Ian, brought to you by the Daily Scroll. In these first few clips, you will see just how bad flooding was during Hurricane Ian as water reached nearly the rooftops of homes.
Hey guys, this is the current condition in my house. God hope you never have to see this at your house. What we all fear in life come true today. So God bless everybody out there trying to make it through this, and I hope you make it through all right. So see you on the other side.
And as you see in this next clip, some homes were even removed from their foundations. Bonita Springs, Florida, home to over 57,000 residents, was hit the hardest. In this next clip, you will see someone driving a yacht in the middle of the storm. This guy decides to go for a swim in his living room. This $1 million McLaren and $500,000 Rolls Royce, seen in this garage, damaged. This guy seems to be having a great time. Wakeboarding during a hurricane? Imagine looking out of your window only to find an alligator seeking shelter during the storm.
Out of here. I'm not evacuating. What the f? Look at this. Look at this. Get the f out of here. I'm going back to New York. F this shit.
With winds reaching as high as 150 miles per hour, these birds could barely fly.
That is sad. You taking a video? Yeah.
In this next clip, these three guys decide to go for a swim during the storm. Within hours, Fort Myers became very flooded. These spectators witnessed lightning strike a tree, causing a fire. More than 1,600 people have been rescued from Hurricane Ian's path in parts of Southwest and Central Florida since last week.
Need some help? Huh? Okay, well, they said they just said that they got out.
The man in this next clip is lucky to be alive as rescue teams pull him from under the debris. Initial damages from the deadly storm are estimated to be in the range of $45 billion to $55 billion in Florida and at least several $billion in South Carolina. As blue skies return, there are still more than 500,000 residents and businesses still without power or clean drinking water. and they say power may not be restored for 30 days due to its electrical infrastructure being destroyed. And while Hurricane Ian's death toll currently sits at 100 plus, there are still 10,000 people unaccounted for. And the most that we can do at this point is hope that they are okay. Thanks for tuning in, and please stay tuned for the next Daily Scroll Report.